Hi guys, this is Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer the question, does boric acid kill fire ants? Let's face it, there's nothing worse than working in the garden only to unexpectedly find an ant bed. And if it's fire ants, well, that's even worse. They may be small, but their bite comes with a painful venom containing pepperdine, which leaves whelps and pus-filled blisters which can last for weeks. And if you're allergic, they can cause painful swelling. So if you're looking for a way to get rid of them, you don't want to just kill one, you want to kill the entire colony. And using boric acid is a great way to do this. But you can't just sprinkle it around. It simply won't work by itself. You'll need to make a homemade batch, and here's how. You'll need boric acid, which you can purchase online or at any hardware store, and you'll need an attractant like peanut butter, honey, or powdered sugar. You can actually use anything that ants are attracted to. Since not all ants are attracted to the same foods, you may wish to try a few and let the ants pick. Next, mix a small amount of boric acid with your attractant in a small disposable dish or container. A good place to start is 3 parts of attractant and 1 part boric acid. Add enough water for your bait to become thick and sticky. If you're using honey, you may not need to use the water. Place your container where you've seen ants. Ants will come for the attractant and bring the food back to the colony. Once they ingest the boric acid, it will destroy their exoskeleton and nervous system, causing death in about 24 to 48 hours. Keep close watch on the bait. If you find any dead ants around the bait, you may wish to decrease the amount of boric acid. You don't want the bait so strong that the ant doesn't make it back to the colony. When using boric acid, please be aware that boric acid is highly poisonous to both pets and children, so keep it away any place they have access. If you're not thrilled with the idea of mixing a homemade batch, don't worry. There are plenty of commercial outdoor ant baits that contain borax and will kill the entire colony, like this one from TERRO Liquid Outdoor Ant Bait. There are also several other ways to tackle fire ants, some which are pouring boiling water into a colony. But according to A&M University, this will only kill about 60% of the ants, and they'll probably move to another spot. And you'll run the risk of killing surrounding grass. Pouring bleach on a colony may kill the ants that it comes in contact with, but will not kill the queen and the colony. Some say to use vinegar and pour it over an anthill. Unfortunately, the smell will repel the ants and make them move to another spot in your yard, and it may drown some ants, but it's not likely to kill the entire colony. We at Backyard University believe that using either a homemade bait with boric acid or a commercial product is the best way to eliminate fire ants from your yard, allowing you pain-free gardening. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, click the link below to some of our other videos, or check out our website at backyarduniversity.org for more inconvenience. We've also supplied links to mentioned products.